Every December produces 4,000 photos and 0 answers to wait. What year was that? Presents get unwrapped. Memories get kept. This is the Christmas Memories and Traditions Yearbook. One 10-minute page a year. The same 7 interview questions every year. The traditions with their origin stories. And who was at the table. It lives in a spreadsheet so it can count and compute. And it is built to be read out loud in 20 years. Meet the Carter-Boyd family, Dana, Jules, Nora, and Eli. They are shipped sample data, not a customer, and you will type over them with your own year one. You tell the book who you are exactly once, on start here, names and birth years, and every age in the book computes from there, forever. The Mantel is the whole book at a glance. 41 memories kept, 24 from the year pages, 8 milestones, 6 Santa letters, and 3 sealed notes. Year 3 of the book, 11 traditions active, and a live countdown to Christmas morning. This year's page is the whole job. On December 26th, you give the year 1 row on the year archive. Where you woke up, who was there, the best moment, the funniest one, the meal, a first, a last, 1 line from each kid, and 1 word for the whole year. Then you pick the year up here, and the book reads it back as a page. Christmas 2026. Nora is 6, Eli is 9, the word is grown, and the page is complete. 10 minutes, once a year. That is everything this book asks of you. The year archive is the spine. 1 row per year, 25 rows ready. The digest at the top assembles itself. Where you woke up, the headline moment, both kids' ages computed for every year, including the years that have not happened yet, and a page complete flag. Blank years are simply pages you have not written. The book never nags. 14 traditions, each with an origin year, who started it, and years running, computed. Grandma June's cider has been on the stove since 2015, 12 years and counting. And retiring a tradition is allowed. The elf on the shelf retired in 2024, after the 2 a.m. incident, and the book keeps the story of why. The retired rows are some of the best reading in the whole file. The wish list archive is the time capsule, what they asked for at every age, what actually arrived, and the reaction, with the age computed from the birth year, so what Eli wanted at 9 is 1 glance away forever. At 9, Eli asked for a phone. A watch arrived. He opened negotiations for 2027 on the spot. Next door, Letters and Notes keeps the best line of every Santa letter, spelling intact, plus notes you seal for the future. The next one opens in 2034. The Christmas interview is the showpiece. 7 fixed questions, asked every year, answered side by side, with each age computed in the column header. Question 1. What does Santa do all summer? Nora at 4, sleeps in the sleigh. Nora at 6, vacation in Hawaii, probably. The same question, 2 years apart, and you can watch the answer grow up. 42 answers so far. The rules are simple. Ask every year, write down exactly what they say, spelling included, and never coach. In 3 years this grid does something no photo can. Guests and gatherings answers the question you will actually ask in 20 years. Who was at the table? 1 row per Christmas, head counts computed straight from the names. 10 at the table the first year hosting, and a directory that finds every year a guest appears. Grandma June is 3 for 3, the only every single year guest, and anyone you have not seen in a while gets a gentle nudge, never a scold. Milestones and the photo index keep the firsts, the gentle lasts, and where the ornament box actually lives. The print studio turns the spreadsheet into paper, a cover, a divider, and a memory page per year. 16 pages in the sample book already. And this file is built to be given. The download includes printable interview cards, a letter to Santa page, and a gift certificate with a 1-page handoff guide. Print it, wrap it, and forward the files after the unwrapping. A first married Christmas, a first baby Christmas, the family memory keeper. That is who you give this to. 1 book, 13 connected tabs, in Excel and Google Sheets with 4 color themes. Under the hood, 1,016 formulas, recalculated clean, with 753 out of 753 independent math checks passing. Every screen in this video is the real file. The yearbook is $21.97, one time, with free lifetime updates. Presents get unwrapped. Memories get kept. Start this year and thank yourself in 20. Link in the description.